Hapit na ma'am, bed music 3.
Let's agahan. Balik ko. Ay, sorry. Okay. There you have it, mga bata. So karon, atoan na sang paminawon ang laing sugilanon gikan sa Madridejos Team 1. Ang ato ang sugilanon karon nagpuluhan ang napulo ka managhigala.
At para sa muling pangungusap, ang mga kagamitan ito ay ginagamit natin sa pagguhit o pagsulat. Ayan. Natapos na natin ang ating gawain ngayon.
Public schools, supervisors,
Time check, it is 11:09 in the morning. This is DJ Snow at your service. You're still listening to your favorite radio station, 94.3 FM, on and on CD1-Elem Campus Radio. You are about to listen to the live discussion of Music Week 8 for Grade 2 learners. Amante kong tutukan, binuhat sa Ginoo, sidlak bituon nga masiga.
Kaya dyan yung second voice niyo.
Umanap ng iba. Okay, there you go. Kung may mga pangutana bahin sa kanta. But first,
The booth, you will see the red carpet because we are having our grand launching day for our radio station. The sound that you are hearing is our radio station. We are monitoring it here in our school. I know, it's not our school, it's in Construction Central School. This is our radio station.
Saan naman background music
kung sa mga wala pa nakapalikod rin na, kauna ay gawin taong pagpapasan sa kaon. Kay lisod na ang panahon karon. Oras alauna sa kahaponon din higihapon sa On and On CD1-Elem Campus Radio 94.3 FM. Shout out sa tanang RBI or radio-based instruction team nga andam o maagkikon kaayo nga gidumala sa atong mga kalihukan karong adlaw. Taliwala sa kainit dinha sa gawas gawin sa pulta o excitement. That's my ilang gihapon palandong itaw din ang mga mom sir. And for the information of everyone listening, today is the launching day of our 3 radio stations in Consolacion. We have Cabs Radio, Knowledge on the Go, nga anaa nahimutang sa Kabangahan National High School. Adun na sa kitay radio station sa Consolacion National High School, day class. O syempre, ang istasyon nga inyong gipaminaw karon, ang On and On CD1-Elem Campus Radio 94.3 FM. On and On CD1-Elem Campus Radio 94.3 FM. redouble the care in these times. We refine, we transcend, and we create history. This is our commitment to you. Acknowledging the guests who are here today, we have Regional Director of the Department of Education, Region 7, Dr. Celestino Jimenez, our Schools Division Superintendent of the Department of Education, Cebu Province, Dr. Marilyn S. Andales.
Consolation, no? With this radio 94.3 FM elementary campus on and on CD1. So sa to ang superintendent si Dr. Andales, ang assistant superintendent Dr. Lawrence, Dr. Pai, and Dr. Bong, and also sa to ang supervisor diri, no, si Lupo, kag ato ang principal Sir Joel, ug ang overall coordinator aning implementation and planning si Sir Abigail Villamor. So labi na gyud sa to mga teachers who are here with us na mao'y hinungdan na nahimo ni tungod sa inyong pagpanimbisog, tungod sa inyong partisipasyon and contribution. So to all of you, our dear and beloved teachers, again, thank you very much. And to all our learners listening in this campus radio, so good afternoon to all of you, even our parents who are listening right now. So we are so glad that we have launched this CD1 Elementary Campus Radio 94.3 FM. I'm sure this will really help, especially now that we are facing this crisis of COVID-19. So just embrace, just have the faith, and let's continue in our purpose-driven na action and passion to continue education amidst all this crisis that we are facing. So once again, congratulations and God bless everyone. Mayong hapon natong tanan ug mayong pagpaminaw asa tuang on and on CD1 Elementary Campus Radio 94.3 FM. Daghang salamat.
94.3 FM, CCS Campus Radio.
Kaya sa lungsod ng